Welcome to Seniors Gardening Advice. I'm Sam, and today I want to share something that could completely change how your home feels. Last month, I discovered the incredible power of strategic plant placement when my neighbor Sarah transformed her entire living space with just 5 carefully chosen plants. The difference was remarkable. Her home went from feeling heavy and stagnant to light, peaceful, and full of positive energy. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which plants create this transformation and where to place them for maximum impact. Make sure you hit that like button right now if you want to discover the secret to using plants as natural energy enhancers. And don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice and ring that notification bell because we're building a community of gardeners who understand the deeper power of plants.
The science behind plant energy. Recent research confirms what ancient cultures have known for centuries. Certain plants actively improve our mental and physical well-being. Studies show that strategically placed indoor plants can reduce stress hormones by up to 60% and improve air quality while creating positive psychological effects. But here's the key that most people miss. It's not just about having plants, it's about choosing the right plants and placing them in specific locations that amplify their natural energy-enhancing properties. Today's guide combines scientific research with time-tested feng shui principles to give you a complete system for transforming your home's energy. You'll learn which plants work best for different goals and exactly where to position them for life-changing results. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs more peace and positive energy in their home. Your sharing helps us reach people who can truly benefit from this powerful knowledge.
Number 1. Snake plant, the ultimate energy shield. The snake plant stands guard in your home like a living security system. Those tall, upright leaves aren't just striking to look at. They're constantly working to filter negative energy and purify your air while you sleep. NASA research proves snake plants remove dangerous toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, but their energetic properties go much deeper. In feng shui, those pointed leaves act like protective swords, creating energetic boundaries that keep your space safe from negative influences. Position your snake plant near your front entrance or in corners where you want extra protection. The key is placement. Avoid putting it directly next to seating areas where the sharp energy might feel uncomfortable. Water only when the soil is completely dry, usually every 2 to 3 weeks. These plants store water in their thick leaves, so overwatering is their biggest enemy. For maximum protective energy, place your snake plant in the north area of your home. This location represents career protection and life path security, making it perfect for this powerful guardian plant.
Number 2. Peace Lily, your harmony creator. The elegant peace lily works like a natural mood stabilizer for your entire home. Those pure white flowers and deep green leaves don't just create beauty. They actively calm chaotic energy and restore balance to busy spaces. Scientific studies show peace lilies remove harmful indoor toxins, while feng shui principles value them for their ability to harmonize active areas. The white blooms symbolize spiritual purification and new beginnings, making this plant perfect for creating fresh energy in any space. Place your peace lily in social areas like living rooms, where it can work its calming magic on family interactions. It also excels in home offices, where it counters work stress and promotes peaceful focus. Give it bright, indirect light and keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Yellow leaves mean too much direct sun, while drooping indicates it needs water. Position your peace lily in the center of your home according to feng shui principles. This represents health and balance for your entire family.
Number 3. The money tree, nature's prosperity magnet. The money tree has earned its reputation as the ultimate abundance attractor. That distinctive braided trunk and 5-leaflet pattern naturally draw wealth energy, while the lush green growth symbolizes expanding financial success. Each 5-finger leaf cluster represents the 5 elements working together to attract prosperity.
The braided trunk symbolizes the intertwining of good fortune, creating a powerful magnet for abundance energy. Place your money tree in bright indirect light in the southeast area of your home. This is your wealth corner according to feng shui principles. Keep this area clean and clutter-free so prosperity can flow freely. Water when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry, usually once a week. Too much water kills the prosperity energy along with the plant, so err on the side of caution. Try adding a small mirror behind your money tree to double the abundance energy and watch as opportunities begin flowing into your life.
Number 4. Jade plant, the steady wealth builder. Those thick, coin-shaped leaves aren't just attractive, they represent the steady accumulation of wealth and financial security. The jade plant symbolizes the kind of reliable growth that builds lasting prosperity rather than quick windfalls. In Feng Shui, the jade plant's ability to store water and nutrients in its leaves mirrors a well-managed savings account storing wealth for the future. This makes it incredibly powerful for attracting long-term financial stability. Position your jade plant on a sunny windowsill in your southeast wealth area where it can receive several hours of bright light daily. The combination of proper light and correct placement amplifies its prosperity-attracting power. Water only when the top inch of soil is completely dry, usually every 7 to 10 days. Jade plants actually develop stronger energy when they're not overwatered, just like wise financial decisions often involve restraint. For extra abundance power, place your jade plant in a red pot. Red activates wealth energy in Feng Shui, while the growing plant represents your expanding financial future. Number 5. Lavender, your natural stress relief. Lavender's purple blooms and distinctive fragrance work like a reset button for your nervous system. Aromatherapy research consistently shows that lavender's scent reduces cortisol levels and improves sleep quality naturally. But placement makes all the difference between getting these benefits and wasting lavender's potential. Position it where you spend quiet time, bedrooms, reading areas, or meditation spaces where the fragrance can consistently influence your mental state. Indoor lavender needs bright light and excellent air circulation. A sunny windowsill helps release more natural oils, filling your space with the consistent fragrance that quiets anxious thoughts and promotes deep relaxation. Keep the soil slightly dry between waterings since lavender hates wet conditions. Too much moisture destroys both the plant and its therapeutic properties. Place lavender in your bedroom's southwest corner, the love and relationship area, where it promotes peaceful sleep and harmonious relationships.
Number 6. Lucky bamboo, fortune's living symbol. Lucky bamboo might look simple, but the number of stalks determines what kind of energy you invite into your home. 3 stalks represent happiness, 5 stalks attract health, 8 stalks draw wealth, and 9 stalks bring good luck in all areas. This isn't actually bamboo. It's a resilient dracaena that grows in water or soil. This adaptability symbolizes your ability to thrive in any situation, making it perfect for overcoming life's obstacles. Position lucky bamboo in your home's east area for family health or southeast area for financial growth. If growing in water, use filtered water and change it weekly to prevent stagnation. The upward growth represents rising fortune and ascending energy in your life. Keep it in bright, indirect light and watch for new shoots, which symbolize fresh opportunities coming your way. Add smooth river rocks around the base to ground the energy and provide stability for your growing good fortune.
Number 7. Spider plant, the energy multiplier. Spider plants create movement that keeps positive energy flowing throughout your space. Those arching leaves and trailing babies naturally lift heavy energy while producing abundant oxygen and removing indoor toxins. NASA ranks spider plants among the top air purifiers, but their energetic benefits are equally impressive. The cascading growth pattern counters depressed or stagnant feelings, while the multiplying babies represent abundance spreading throughout your life. Hang spider plants or place them on high shelves in kitchens to balance cooking odors, or in children's rooms where their playful appearance supports healthy development. These nearly indestructible plants thrive in bright indirect light with moderate watering. The baby plant lets root easily in water, allowing you to spread positive energy to new rooms as they multiply. Try this. Root 3 spider plant babies and place them in different rooms. Notice how the energy shifts as living plants establish themselves in previously empty spaces.
Number 8. Aloe vera, your multi-purpose protector. Aloe vera combines practical healing with powerful energy protection. The soothing gel provides emergency skin relief, while the plant filters negative energy and creates balance around electronic devices. Position aloe near computers, TVs, and phones, where it helps neutralize some of the chaotic electromagnetic energy these devices create. This ancient wisdom proves surprisingly relevant in our modern tech-filled homes. Aloe needs bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water deeply but infrequently, only when soil is completely dry. Those water-storing leaves handle drought much better than overwatering. The upright, sturdy growth represents strong boundaries and self-protection, making aloe especially valuable for sensitive people who easily absorb others' negative energy. Keep one aloe by your computer workstation and another in your bedroom to create energetic balance and protection in your most used spaces.
Number 9. Pothos, the heart healer. Golden pothos thrives where other plants struggle, bringing gentle flowing energy that soothes emotional stress. Those heart-shaped leaves and cascading vines create abundance energy that flows like a gentle waterfall. Safety note: keep pothos away from pets who might chew on it, as it's toxic to cats and dogs. The trailing growth symbolizes blessings cascading from heaven to earth, bringing prosperity and emotional healing. In Feng Shui, this downward flow represents abundance flowing naturally into your life. Place pothos in your southeast wealth area, letting it trail from a hanging pot near bright indirect light. The flowing growth amplifies abundance energy throughout your space. Trim monthly to prevent tangled growth that blocks energy flow. Each cutting roots easily in water to start new plants and spread the healing energy to additional rooms.
Number 10. Rosemary, your threshold guardian. Rosemary serves double duty as culinary herb and spiritual protector. This fragrant plant has guarded doorways for centuries, creating an energetic filter that purifies incoming energy. The clean, invigorating scent promotes mental clarity, so everyone entering your home encounters this focusing energy immediately. It's like having a natural aromatherapy system at your entrance. Position rosemary beside your front door in full sun, using a well-draining pot. Choose hardy container varieties rather than delicate culinary types that struggle indoors. Water only when the topsoil is dry. Rosemary develops stronger fragrance when not pampered with constant moisture. The aromatic oils concentrate more under slightly stressed conditions. Try this experiment. Place rosemary by your front door and notice whether your entryway feels fresher and more welcoming within 2 weeks.
Creating your sacred plant system. Start with 2 to 3 plants that match your care abilities and lighting conditions. Success with initial plants builds confidence for expanding your spiritual garden over time. Choose healthy specimens from reputable nurseries. Strong plants provide better energetic results, while sick plants can create negative effects instead of positive ones. Create a simple care schedule and keep notes about changes in your home's atmosphere. Many people report improved sleep and reduced stress within 2 to 4 weeks of proper plant placement. Remember the Feng Shui basics: southeast for wealth plants like jade and money trees, center for harmony plants like peace lilies, and entryways for protective plants like rosemary and snake plants. Plant health directly impacts energetic benefits, so consistent care maintains both the physical beauty and spiritual power of your green allies. Your journey starts now. These sacred plants offer a natural pathway to transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and positive energy. Each variety brings unique gifts, from protection and purification to abundance and healing. Which plant resonated most strongly with you? Trust that intuition. It often points toward the energy your home needs most right now. Hit that like button if this guide opened new possibilities for your home's energy, and subscribe to Senior's Gardening Advice for more wisdom about creating peaceful, abundant living spaces through the power of plants. Share this video with friends who could benefit from more positive energy in their homes. Together, we're building a community that understands plants as powerful allies in creating the life we truly desire. Comment below with your experiences as you begin incorporating these sacred plants into your home. Your journey inspires others and helps our entire community grow in wisdom and positive energy. Thanks for being part of our Seniors Gardening Advice family, and I'll see you in the next video.